Hi everybody, Devin here from Let's Head Out. Today we are gonna go check out Parrot Mountain here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So yeah, let's head out. Right here at the beginning, they've got some macaws or parrots.
Parrots.
Just sitting here snacking.
One's taking a nap.
Alright, so you walk through this here and up this hill to the entrance. So we're gonna get in and get everything situated. Alright, so they have some endangered birds here. It's a hiking macaw, and then there's some other birdies here. Hey guys, gals. All right, so we're just gonna. I guess we're gonna follow this trail around. Does it come back out, he said? Alright. It says bird walk, a true jungle experience. That one's chewing his toenail. You biting off your toenail there, buddy? He's picking his beak.
Yeah. Scratching his belly. Oh, that one's yawning.
I know, that's the way I feel right now.
Oh, there's sweet.
Okay,
alright, and we're waiting on Mom and Dad to come this way. And then we're gonna head I guess we'll head down the bird walk first. Alright, so here we have a toucan. Hey!
oh, it's a toucan.
He's playing tug of war. He's playing tug of war. And red-billed toucans. And these are more toucans here. What are these called?
Oh, I don't know.
Swanson's toucan.
Look how pretty.
Yeah, they got a lot of yellow.
The yellow is on them.
These are the same, different breed, same breed, different. They're like pretty yellow top of the beak.
Go head on this way. There's some more toucans here. Kill build. This is a kill build. So I'm not sure what these toucans are called. If there's a toucan, they don't have a name on them. Oh yeah? That one's talking. Alright, we're gonna walk on down this way. Kookaburra.
There's two on this side.
Kookaburra. Yep. And here we have some lovebirds.
Pretty. They're so cute. Yeah, I'm trying.
And here's some more toucans. Right here. This is Toko toucan. You got a pretty orange beak. Got any Fruit Loops there, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, look at his pretty blue eye.
Here is a scarlet macaw.
They even live to be 90 years old.
That's what it says.
How old?
90.
Can live 75 or even up to 90 years
Wow.
old.
Just a little right up there. These are Catalina macaws.
Oh, they're bossy. Those are what kind of state? Catalina. Not found in wild. Oh, look at him. He don't have a beak, not a beak. Looks like he's got a red top to his head. Looks like he's got a red cap on.
You probably have pictures of last time up here.
Oh, it's a red crest.
Red-crested Turako. Black-throated magpie jay.
Black throated.
He's cleaning himself.
Taking 5 or 10 pictures.
And these are crows. 2 of them. Yeah, hey, buddy. Is that right?
Here's your crow, babe. These were completed 30 years. Little hair free on top.
He got a fro. Hey!
Wow, look at the purple.
Oh, you knew he was going to give you your food, so you were getting away from him a little bit.
Look at her her eye. It almost looks like it's stitched.
Yeah, it's
Like
pretty.
embroidery.
Oh yeah, it's mealtime. So we have, they call these swamp hens.
Almost like they sound like flamingos do.
It's hard to see them through all this wire.
Yeah, look in your hips around.
And here's some more
Look at their move.
Some more parrots and macaws, whatever.
These guys don't fly too much, or they're just free to go wherever they want to.
That would be good.
We got 15, we got like unicorn. We got the fruit sauces. That's a
The Grand Electus Parrot. Alright, so we're going to go into the secret garden.
All doves.
Doves.
This one's bathing.
Hey! Check them out. He's like, I'm not sure about you. Hey!
He's got his feathers up in the air here. He's doing the male strutting.
Yeah, he is.
See the orange one down there in the bottom?
Yeah, that's like a pheasant.
Look at that one where you saw him.
Alright, we're headed on out. Hey, buddy. Alright, Hannah's gonna find her somebody to feed. They all might not want nothing food. They all might not want any food because they're getting fed a lot. Did you go for the good stuff? Huh? Did you go for the good stuff? Yeah.
I'll take you back where I got you. Come here.
Oh, you want to get petted. Aren't you sweet?
I want to go hold Moses.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, is that right?
Oh, he wants
Oh, he
to
just
rub
wants a pat.
it. He looks like being rubbed on the head. Oh, that's so funny. That's so sweet. Yes, you are. You are, sweetie. There you go.
Sticking that up.
I'll give you.
Yeah.
You need a quarter?
Yeah, you're a good little birdie, aren't you? Oh, yeah? You want another pat? Okay, here we go. All right. Are you done?
This one's fine.
Are you done?
Yeah.
You want more?
Yeah.
Well, come here. Uh-oh, you lost a feather there, buddy.
Where did we get that?
All right. You want more? You want more? Huh?
Want some more? Oh, pat. Ugly. Oh, there you go. He likes to be scratched like a puppy.
Look at you. You are pretty. Alright, I don't know where me and Hannah went. They must have went out this way, so we're going to go see if we can catch up with them. Up there they are. There's some sun conures. And some African gray. They're in the back there. And mustache parakeet back there in the back. And they're all in the back. A derby and parakeet, and then there's a conure in the back there. Hey guys. Hey guys.
They're quite hungry.
Yeah. They're mine's all done.
Crawling in my ear.
Hey buddy, how you doing?
Yeah.
Chilling?
I don't have any more. That's not good.
Uh-oh, they're gonna trade.
People come in.
You gonna trade us for them?
Yep. Oh, he said I got to it first.
Hey buddy. Hey. How are you? Good? Black-headed cake. C-A-I-Q-U-E. Look, have a little waterfall. A little fountain. Not waterfall, but well, it's a fountain and waterfall.
Be 125 years old.
He's got him a little hairdo going on right there.
When they're in London.
He's got him a little comb over.
One or two.
Yeah, you got your little comb over right there. So this is the story of Jesus. Yeah, there's a nativity here, and this is where he was crucified. Here. And there's a write-up, the different Bible verses. The butterfly. And I think his tomb's right here. And then he was buried, and then he rose. So here's a statue of Jesus being risen. And they have little cherubs here on the ground. This one's holding a harp. Are they all holding a harp? No, they're different, aren't they? Alright. We're going to finish the loop on out. Yeah, so they have a bench here that looks like a peacock. That's pretty cool.
tree?
Peacock bench.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
And there's a golden conure. And I head on this way. Oh, that's a big boy right there. Look at him. Look at there. He's pretty. Oh yeah, an umbrella cockatoos back there in the back. Hey! Oh, that's like the one we were petting earlier.
It's like, where's the kill milk?
Hey! Hey! How are you? You want to hold my hand up there, my finger? I can't do it. I can't reach through. It won't work.
You to, so he can be held.
I know. I can't reach my hand through though.
He's like, come on, give me that hand.
He's like,
Hold that
bring it on.
Look,
He said, bring it on.
give me that hand. I see that hand.
Yes, you bring it on. Hey,
He wants to be held so bad.
you know. All right, there is a blue and gold macaw. Those are pretty birds too. Y'all are something else. Yeah, you heard that, didn't you? All right.
There's a white dove.
Like a bird, bunch of little birds like finches.
Oh, look at that one's got soft feet. It's got furs on. What is that? It's some kind of pigeon.
Oh, well,
Pretty.
he is cute with his little furry feet.
And there's finches. I think those little yellow ones may be canaries. I don't know.
Mama's loving this.
I love all
This is Mama's.
the birds.
Mama loves birds. Military macaw.
Yep, he's got a gray beard.
Dude,
right
you're not
there.
gonna break through that wire. You can chew and chew and chew all day, but that's not gonna happen. Unless you got you a set of bolt cutters in them jaws. Yeah. Look at your pretty red, like little.
He's got a little fluffy. He's got a fluffy hairdo.
I like that red. That red's awesome. All right. Oh, they have the cockatiels here.
Looks like he wants to bite. Don't let him go above the pen.
Yeah.
Hey, no biting. That's me.
Trying to bite you. There's some more little guys in here. Well, nope, none in there. There's some there. Hey.
If you can touch them, just don't put them on top of your head.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. Get them, get them. You see there.
That one's pretty.
Oh yeah, the teal. Yeah. Hey, aren't you cute?
4,000 for these.
How much?
3,000 to 4,000.
3,000 to 4,000 a piece.
Dollars.
Well, there you go, everybody. If you want a bird, you come here and get one for $3,000 to $4,000.
Don't want that much for a bird.
You want a bird?
Not for this price.
We'll have to sell our house, but we can get you one.
Nope.
Won't have anywhere to put it after we get done.
That is a beautiful color, though.
It is.
I think it wants me to pay it.
Yeah, you can pick it up as long as you keep them over your bed.
You want it for Christmas? It'll be your Christmases for the rest of your life.
You can find one online a lot cheaper than that.
They are pretty though. Especially those orange. Look at the yellow ones in the back.
I know it. What is on my finger? You like my finger? I was trying to snatch it around. Did you see? Turn it down.
Look at him. He got the little. His color hadn't came in all the way on his hair.
Yeah, that's a
Look
brand
at you
new
being
one.
nosy.
Come here. That's a new one. Ow. Right. You want to go home with me then?
Hey, you're coming after my camera, are you? You don't need me.
I need more than that.
Because seeing what these guys can run.
Hey, buddy.
You never saw what's wrong with
He was going down.
Tahoe is gonna bite me, or you gonna let it sit on my lip?
It's pretty, but you can get them at you can get them at the pet store.
He's just a bouncer. I don't know if he let me pick him up or not. I don't want to get bit.
They don't look bad. Oh, you're nice.
Mama just lets them bite and crawl all over. Mama be like that bird lady off of Home Alone with pigeons all over her. That would be Mom.
You're not
Right.
gonna poop on me. Come on. Come on.
Hey, those pigeons help Kevin knows.
Hang on, nobody wants to get on my finger.
They don't come see you.
I mean, they're all. I mean, I put my hand in there. They all curl up in the corner. They're scared of me. I scare all of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't you bite me.
Careful. How can she say that? Pretty that blue one.
That one's sleepy. It's a sleepy head.
It's
Yeah.
a sleepy baby.
He's a sleepy baby. All right, so what I learned in there is if you have $700 or more, you can take you a bird home. I think 700 was about the least they had in there. Wasn't that about right?
Yeah, they were trying to.
Yeah.
The fauna.
Yeah, those were on sale because he said they had so many of them. So yeah, if you want a bird, you can come here and get you one. So yeah. So right here across from the where you can get the birds is a Major Mitchell.
Then go take off looking at you.
He's coming over here to see us, I think.
Oh.
You want to come over here and see us? Come here.
No, I don't know if it's going to get in the sun or not.
I can't see it too good because it's...
Hello. Come here.
Come here, you doing circles? It's like, well, it is too darn hot for this.
It's like, if you want me to come over here, you come over here and get in the shade, lady.
Over there, you need to teach me.
You are.
Hey,
Ooh.
Hey, pretty baby.
you're a pretty pink color. You eat shrimp like flamingos?
Say hello. Hello.
Must be one in the pin. Oh, there he is. Look. He's emerging. I can't know if you see him or not.
I thought that was the one you said was coming. He is going to come.
There he is.
Come on, little bird. Come on, little bird. He's coming down.
They ain't dumb. They stay in the shade. Smart birds.
He's going to the people.
I bet the sand's hot.
Smart birds. Hannah's a smart bird too. She ain't standing in the sun either. All right. I think that's about it. All right, so that was Parrot Mountain. There was a ton of birds there. Of course, it wouldn't have the name Parrot Mountain if there wasn't. But it was a pretty neat place. It was right at, well, I did $3 extra to feed the what do they call those things? Those little birds.
They're not lovebirds.
It's nectar. They give you a little cup of nectar to feed the, I cannot think of the name of the birds.
I don't remember. It's extra $3.
Yeah, anyways, it's extra $3 and they give you a little cup of nectar. And they will, once you walk in, I mean, it's like instant bam. They're like all on your shoulders, and they knocked my cup out of my hand even though I was supposed to hold it tight. And but it was fun. That was really fun. So anyways, with that and the admission to get in, it was $34, $35, somewhere around in there, I think.
Yeah,
something like that. I'm not sure if it's cheaper ordering online. I don't know if you can order your tickets online.
Well, I gave them $40 and I think I got $2.
Yeah, so it was like, it was $30-something to get in, $36, $37. So that was fun. They have an area where you go to feed the birds by hand. They make you take a picture. They put like however many people you got. They put like 5 or 6 birds on you and give you a picture to take your picture. Mama tried to snap a picture of me while I was waiting there, and they got onto her. We will take your picture. So so they don't want you taking pictures while you're there with the birds on you. The pictures were $40 for a 4x6, and they were $50 for a bigger one. Needless to say, we didn't get a picture today. I got plenty of video. So anyways, it was. I mean, what do y'all think? I know Mama absolutely positively enjoyed herself there.
Yeah, it was worth. It was worth because
Hannah didn't get the nectar, the cup of nectar.
Right.
Whatever.
No, I didn't.
Hers was only like $32.
Mine was like 33
Yeah.
because they charge like something for like.
So it was
if you
like
use a card.
So it was like 36 something with the nectar, but the nectar doesn't last that long. Like not even a minute, it's gone. But it is fun getting to feed them
and seeing all the different types of birds.
Yes, the nursery was really neat,
That was
where you get to
cute,
pet you get to hold some of the little babies and pet the little babies, and
Well, even
if you're rich, you could buy some.
Even holding the birds when you get your picture taken, even that's pretty neat.
It is neat.
Even though
It
when
is
you
neat.
get the picture, you still get to hold the
That's
birds.
that's right.
That
Yeah,
was kind
it
of
gives you a kind of a
I had
close
a cockatiel
encounter.
on my shoulder.
You did have a cockatiel on your shoulder.
I was very happy about that.
Yeah. I had a green bird, and he just kept staring at me like, "You better not touch me," kind of look on his face. So, anyways, so yeah, did anybody want to talk any more about it or anything like that?
No?
They were just awesome.
They do have a little restaurant here. They serve hamburgers and like sandwiches. We didn't buy anything to eat. They also have ice cream. And I saw some kids with some snow cones. So yeah, it's a really neat place. So yeah, that wraps.
They have the little walk through about Jesus and his life and everything as well. So
They do, yeah.
And we got here, what time did we get here?
We got here
Probably 11ish.
no, it was 12. It was 12 something,
tell you the exact
it's
time we
2
got
o'clock
here.
now. So we were here
got
for
here at
about 2 hours.
12:23.
Yeah.
So we got here at 12:23 and it's 1:58. So we were here for about 2 hours. So it's a good 2 hour day trip to visit this place. So yeah. All right. So that was Parrot Mountain in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching our videos, those are the best ways that I can ask for you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. Please give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. Please ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. So I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya!
Bye-bye.